Welcome to America's largest dog treat factory, where millions of pet snacks are made every day. Step inside and see how your dog's favorite treats come to life. High-speed robots sort thousands of treats every minute for pets across the country. It all starts with fresh dough, the base for every delicious dog snack.
Special machines create fun shapes that dogs love.
Ingredients arrive fresh every morning, ready for processing. Every ingredient is checked for quality and safety before entering the factory.
Flour and protein are carefully measured for every recipe. Mixers. Blend the perfect base for
Technicians use advanced controls to keep every batch consistent. The dough is cooked at just the right heat for the perfect texture.
Natural flavors are added for that irresistible taste.
Colorful dyes make treats look as fun as they taste.
The dough is cooled before shaping and baking.
Every step is monitored for safety and quality.
Dough is rolled out to the perfect thickness for every treat.
Slicing machines cut the treats into perfect pieces in seconds.
Quality control teams check every batch for shape and size.
Treats are baked until they're crunchy and delicious.
The treats cool down before heading to packaging.
Robots handle the treats gently to keep them looking perfect.
Every tray is scanned and tracked for total quality control.
The treats rest here before heading to the next stage.
Climate control keeps the treats fresh and tasty.
Some treats get a creamy yogurt coating for extra flavor. Gentle vibrations make sure every treat is smooth and solid.
The treats cool down as they move through a long refrigerated tunnel.
Workers carefully remove each treat to keep the shapes perfect.
A shiny coating gives the treats a tempting look.
Some treats get a surprise filling for extra flavor.
Each bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. Every treat is fortified for your dog's health. Technicians check every batch for just the right nutrition.
Jerky treats are made in long strips, then cut into bite-sized pieces.
Twisted treats get their look from these clever machines.
Some treats get a special message just for your pup.
Only the clearest stamps make it into the final mix.
Sorting machines organize the treats for perfect variety in every bag.
Robots mix the treats to create the perfect assortment.
Each bag is filled with a fun mix of dog snacks.
Bags are sealed to keep the treats fresh until snack time.
Every bag is weighed to make sure you get the right amount.
The bags travel down the line, ready for packing.
Boxes are built on site for fast, efficient packing.
Robots pack the boxes quickly and carefully.
Every box is tracked from the factory to the store.
The warehouse holds millions of treats, ready for shipment.
Forklifts move the treats to Letty-Terry-Houston cranes to waiting trucks for delivery.
Every shipment is double-checked for accuracy and safety.
The treats travel from the factory to stores nationwide.
Soon, these treats will be ready for happy dogs everywhere.
Families pick out their pets' favorite snacks for treat time.
Kids love picking out treats for their furry friends.
The excitement builds as the treats are opened and shared.
Bowls of treats are ready for your dog to enjoy.
The journey from factory to food bowl is complete. Every bite started its journey in America's biggest dog treat factory.
The taste of happiness is made possible by high-tech treat makers.
Dog treats bring pets and people together.
Safety and nutrition are top priorities, from the factory to your home.
Every wrapper is designed to keep your treats safe and fresh.
Cleanliness and safety are at the heart of every step.
Advanced technology keeps the factory running smoothly.
Teams work together to solve problems and keep production on track.
Skilled technicians keep the machines running at peak performance.
The factory can switch to new shapes and flavors in minutes.
New designs are created and tested right in the factory.
Food scientists are always working on the next big dog treat.
New ideas are tested in small batches before going nationwide.
Taste tests help decide which treats make the final cut.
Machines are cleaned and sanitized between every batch.
Every step is double-checked for safety and quality.
The factory recycles as much as possible to reduce waste.
Even the wrappers get a second life after snack time.
The factory uses renewable energy to help power treat production. Teamwork and technology make it all possible. The last boxes are packed and ready to go.